And welcome everybody. BBIG stock today. Let's start with easy steps. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and let's start with easy price prediction explained. So it is going to be right now on 4 hours update. If we went for the price that we want, it's going to be feedback for what we want on 4 hours update. Maybe if it's going to be very fine, this will give us next time this increase. Okay, and we can go for the private recommends that we want to see here. Okay, this is going to be 89, and this is going to be 21 5 USD and 21 cents. So that's what we actually want to see in the wider form of the BBIG. If we went for 4 hours, it's going to be very different because this gives us a huge spike here, and this is going to be a smaller spike than this previous one. That's what can I say on this video about this stock.